In today's video I'm showing you an easy recipe for apple crumble. So let's start by adding 150 grams of plain flour to a mixing bowl, followed by 75 grams of butter. Then we're going to rub the butter into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. And a good tip is to leave the butter out at room temperature just for a few minutes before you're ready to use it. It just makes it that little bit easier to rub in. And now that we've got a breadcrumb-like consistency, we're just going to add 75 grams of sugar. And then give that a really good stir. I'm using 700 grams of tinned apple for this, just to make it as quick and simple as possible. You can of course use fresh apple though if you prefer. I'm going to add the fruit to the baking dish. And then I'm just going to arrange it so that it's level and also so that there's no big holes, because you don't want the crumble topping to fall into the holes. We're going to pour the crumble mixture on top of the apples, just going to put it in the middle, and then that way we can smooth it out over the top of the apple. And apple crumble really is one of the easiest desserts you can possibly make. I'm literally just using 4 ingredients to make this. So you can see I've pressed it down now with the back of the spoon, just because you want the crumble to stick to the apple. And I'm just going to drag a fork across the top because it just gives it a fluffier looking appearance. Now this is ready to go into the oven on 170 degrees Celsius, which is gas mark 5, for around about 30 minutes. And there we go, just half an hour later we've got a delicious apple crumble. It's made my kitchen smell absolutely amazing. I can't wait to tuck into this. This is a really easy and tasty recipe, so I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy meals and recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.